Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the realme Narzo 50i. This is the trademark Narzo packaging, the blue box. It has Narzo by Realme written right over here, and over here it's written #1 quality smartphone brand. This is the made in India brand. This particular variant has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. There's some more information here. It comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery along with a 6.5-inch large display. It is powered by Octa-core Processor and has 2 SIM card slot and a micro SD card slot as well. Do we have any more information? The variant is mint green. We will take a look right now what it looks like. This is a brand new sealed package, as you can see. And I'm going to show you what this particular smartphone looks like. There's some documents here. This is the Narzo 50i. Some more accessories. This is the charger and this is the charging cable. Do you have anything else? No, that seems to be it. So these are the contents of the box. This is the charging brick that comes with this particular phone. This is the micro USB charger that comes with this particular phone. There you can see this is a micro USB charger. There are 2 documents. This is the safety guide from Realme, and this is the quick guide for the RMX3231, which is basically the Narzo 50i. And now let's take a look at the smartphone itself. This is what it looks like. This is a 6.5-inch display. It's a pretty large display. This is a big phone even for smartphone standards. Let me give you a better look. There you can see this is quite a large smartphone. This is the mint green variety. The back has this rugged texture to it as well. This is made out of plastic, but this part, the lower bit, has this rugged texture to it. I don't know if you can see this. I'll get it close to the camera so you can see it. It has a bit of a texture to it. And this is the camera module that comes with. This is a dual camera module right over here. Furthermore, we have the micro USB charging port over here along with the 3.5mm aux port. So you can attach any headphone to it, and you can also connect it via Bluetooth. I'm going to turn this on now. So yeah, now it's starting on, and you can see the Realme logo right over there. You should be hearing a tone as well. There's a notch over here as well. This is where the front-facing camera lies, as you can see. And the moment it turns on, you will see it better once the display is completely on. Right now, most of the screen is black. So as soon as the display comes on, I will show it to you. So there you are. This is what it looks like. This is the initial display. Over here I'm going to select language. These are basically the first steps of setting up this particular phone. In another video I'll show you how to do that, and also I'll give you a walkthrough of certain elements of this particular smartphone. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the realme Narzo 50i smartphone. Thank you for watching.